Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower as you can see on your screens. This is so beautiful and so glowy flower as you can see. It's look like a rose. For that I'm going to use a medium yarn. The hook size is 3.5 mm. First of all we will make 80 chains or chain of 80. After making chain of 80, I'm going to make single crochet in first chain, then single crochet in all the next chains till the end. This is a very simple and easy procedure you can follow. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and share my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. After completing this round, this is called round 2. Now round 3, that is making chain 1, and we'll turn the side. Now I'm going to use the method, that is single crochet in first chain, then I'll make 5 chains. After making 5 chains, I have to skip 2 chains here and single crochet in third chain. Again I am going to make chain 5, then I will skip 2 chains at the bottom and single crochet in next chain. I have to repeat the same procedure till the end. After completing this round, I'm going to make the round 4, that is chain 1, turn the side, single crochet in chain space, chain 1, 7 double crochet in the same chain space. I have to make 7 double crochet in this chain space. After making 7 double crochet, we have to make single crochet in this same chain space to form a shape like petal. As you can see, this is very simple and easy procedure for the beginners as well. Now after completing our first petal, now I'm going to make another petal here, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 7 double crochet again in this next chain space. Then we, after making 7 double crochet, we will make one chain and single crochet in same chain space. Basically we have to repeat the same previous procedure in this petal or in this chain space. So here we have completed the second petal of our flower. Now we have to make third petal, and we have to make the same procedure till the end of our flower. As you can see, we have completed the round. Now we have to make a twist of our flower. We have to make a flower by using this strip. After twisting it like this, and we will take a needle at last and will stitch the sides of this flower. Soon after making this flower, I realized that I have taken the other side of this flower, as you can see. And then after finding my mistake, I have repeated the same procedure in the front side of this flower and stitched the sides of the flower to join the flower or to complete the flower. Here I am using this needle to joining the sides of the strips to end up this pattern to make a flower. As you can see, after stitching, I have completed this flower. This is the final look of our rose flower. I am going to make a beautiful crochet leaf here. This is very simple and easy to make. I hope you will like it, and please share it with your friends who want to learn the basic crochet. And so let's start. I am taking the medium yarn. Hook size is 3.5 mm. For the leaf, I am going to make chain that is of chain 15. After making 15 chains, I'm going to make single crochet in very first chain, then double crochet in the next chain, as you can see on your screens, or half double crochet in next chain. Now 2 double crochet in next 2 chains. Now time to make 6 triple crochet in next 6 chains. After completing 6 triple crochet in next 6 chains, we have to make 2 double crochet in next 2 chains. 2 double crochet in next 2 chains. Then after 2 double crochet we have to make 1 half double crochet in next chain, half double crochet in next chain. Then we have to make single crochet in next chain. This is our first side of this leaf. After that I'm going to make another single crochet in this chain, same chain. Now we will use the same chains as we used before. Now I'm going to make half double crochet in next chain, then 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, after that we have to make 6 triple crochet in next 6 chains, six triple crochet in next 6 chains, after completing 6 triple crochet in next 6 chains we have to make 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, after 2 double crochet I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in next chain, then 1 single crochet in next chain. Now time to make a slip stitch at last to join the sides of this leaf. So here is our beautiful crochet leaf pattern, and it's very simple and easy to make. Now we are going to make a leaf line on the top of leaf. As you can see, we are simply making single crochet from front to back side. As you can see, this is very simple and easy to make. We are just creating a fine line of our leaf to enhance the beauty of our leaf. I hope you liked my video, and this is a very easy and simple procedure to make a beautiful leaf pattern, and share it with your family members and friends who want to learn the basic stitches of crochet. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my video. Give a comment in the comment section, and for more videos stay tuned. Thank you so much.